Friends, in this tutorial I am going to solve a reading test, reading passage 2 from book Cambridge 10 and test 4. This is all about blanks. How can we attempt summary blank type questions, and the passage is very interesting. It's about second nature. So let me first of all introduce you with questions or gaps. So as the gaps are there, I'm going to read question 14 to 18. There are 5 questions that very easily can be solved with little attention and practice. Psychologists have traditionally believed that a personality dash was impossible, and that by a dash a person's character tends to be fixed. So now what we have to do, we have to pay attention towards the word personality. This is our key word here. Personality growth, personality development, personality change. So the word that we are going to fill over here is related to personality, and that will be adjective. That word will be adjective. Adjective means such kind of word which shows quality of any noun or any subject or person. Okay, was impossible, and that by a dash a person's character tends to be fixed. By a dash, by a dash here can be a noun that can work as a subject or object, not a verb here. So let's first do these two blanks and find out the word that required to be filled here. So topic is second nature. Psychologists have long held that a person's character here means personality, cannot undergo a transformation. So person's character cannot be changed. Transformation means changed in meaningful way. So transformation is the key word over here that fit best the first gap, and that key traits of personality are determined. Key traits means main qualities of person's personality are fixed. Determined means fixed, pre-decided at very young age, means that or get fixed or determined at very young age, which are almost impossible to change later on. So this line says that whatever our behavior and attitude is at a young age, later on we cannot improve that or modify that. So here the word young age is the main word here. So now I am going back to the blanks and try to set these words over there. So look at here, psychologist means here they said psychologist word already written over there, so it is as it is. Psychologist means the people who study psychology have traditionally believed that a personality dash, the personality gap word here is transformation was impossible. Personality cannot be changed means was impossible, and that by a dash a person's character tends to be fixed. So when does the person's character or personality becomes fixed? At young age. So 15 number is here, young age. That is the right answer over here. Now the next is, this is not true according to positive psychologists. The psychologists who think positively, they are not agree with this, who say that our personal qualities can be seen as habitual behavior. Our personal qualities are our habitual behavior. One of the easiest qualities to acquire is dash. So one of the easiest quality to acquire. So here we are going to fill a noun, and after that, however, regardless of the quality, it is necessary to learn a wide variety of different dash or gap. Here again noun. In order for a new quality to develop, for example, a person must understand and feel some, and then next gap, in order to increase their happiness. So, I am coming back to number 16 again. One of the easiest qualities to acquire is dash. So, we have to find that what that quality is which easier to acquire, easier to adopt. So, I am going back to the passage. So, look here, positive psychologists have identified 24 qualities we admire, such as loyalty and kindness, and are studying them to find out why they come so naturally to some people. What they are discovering is that many of these qualities amount to habitual behavior that determines the way we respond to the world. The good news is that all this can be learned. Some qualities are less challenging to develop than other, optimism being one of them. So, this is our answer. Optimism is such a quality which we can easily obtain or acquire. So, answer number 16 is optimism. However, regardless of the quality, it is necessary to learn a wide variety of different in order for a new quality to develop. So, we need to learn what different kind of things we need to learn. So, here, however, developing qualities require mastering a range of skills. So, in order to develop certain qualities, we need to have certain skills first, or we have to excel ourselves in certain skills. So, the answer here will be skills. It is necessary to learn a wide variety of different skills. The skill is appropriate word here, in order for a new quality to develop. For example, a person must understand and feel. What person must understand and feel? What is that thing? So, that will be filled here. So, let us see. Now, check here. After range of skills, this is our answer of previous gap, which are diverse and sometimes surprising. For example, to bring more joy and passion into your life, you must be open to experiencing negative emotions. So, you must be open, you must be dare enough to experience some negative emotions if you really want to have more joy and passion in your life. So, negative emotions is a key word that I think the best suit here. For example, a person must understand and feel. Understand and feel means experience some negative emotions. We need here plural word. The plural words are negative emotions over there that best suit here in order to increase their happiness. Happiness means joy. So, in this way, our all the blanks are get done. Now, I am going to show you the right answers. Let us check the answers now. Academic reading, and the answers: 14 transformation or change, 15 young age, 16 optimism, 17 skills or techniques, and 18 is negative emotions or negative feelings. So, in this way the blanks are done. So, over and all, what I mean to say here, that in order to find the blanks or right answer in the blanks, you have to look at the words written before the gap or written after the gap. They are the key words over there which will help you, and otherwise over and all, what I mean to say, that it requires practice and it also requires talent to find out the keywords. So, thank you very much for watching this video.